A Bulawayo-based human rights activist has approached the Constitutional Court in a bold move to stop what he describes as an unconstitutional attempt by Zambia to prolong President Emmerson Mnangagwa's tenure beyond the 2028 limit. Sanabina mashoko kudai kwachitse Bulawayo men takes Mnangagwa to court over extension of presidential term of office. Loti kwa subscribe wala ikota on the bell icon. Chipina mnamuzim emu kudai kwa mchinze. Mbuso Fuzwayo, secretary of the advocacy group Imbeshu Likazulu, filed the court application naming the ruling party as the primary respondent, also listed as key government figures, including Justice Minister Zembe Ziambi, Parliamentary Speaker Jacob Mudenda, Attorney General Virginia Mabisa, the President Mnangagwa, all in their official capabilities. The legal challenge targets Zambia's Resolution No. 1 of 2024, passed at its National People's Conference in Bulawayo last October. The resolution explicitly calls for President's term to be extended beyond 2028 to 2030 and instructs both party and government to initiate constitutional amendments to make this possible. The directive was later reiterated at the 2025 Party Conference in Mutare, which criticized the lack of progress and urged the Secretary of Legal Affairs and Justice Minister to ensure full implementation ahead of the 2026 conference. In his founding affidavit, Fuzwayo claims the resolution presents a real and immediate threat constitutional governance and infringes upon his fundamental rights. He is therefore seeking direct access to the Constitutional Court to hold any step toward its implementation. If the court grants leave for direct access, Fuzwayo plans to request an interdiction preventing respondents from acting on the resolution until the matter is decided. He also seeks a declaration confirming that Section 95(2)(b) and 143(1) of the Constitution establish presidential and parliamentary term limits under Section 3281 and 3287, and that enforcing Zambia's resolution would violate the rights under Section 356 and 67. Central to his argument is Section 328, which governs constitutional amendments on legal advice. Fuzwayo contends that presidential and parliamentary term provisions are protected term limits provisions, making any extension without a public referendum unconstitutional. Tomashuka aripo muri Zimbabwe mbori dzamafunguro enyu moti kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi tichiona bato reZANU-PF Foundation nekutungamirwa nyika vachiendeswa kumatare edzimhosva. Rakomesa kuchemedza funguro enyu moti kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. So unsubscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.